Hi everyone, I recently got one of these DJI Mic 2 microphones and these are fantastic. It came with two of them that go into just this one receiver which I can put on the camera. They're both so lightweight. It has a built-in microphone. You can put a lapel mic in here as well, which I also got a lapel mic. I've got several lapel mics actually, so I can easily do that. It can just clip on over here. Although I've already got a microphone on, so I don't need that. And they're portable, they come with a charging case and everything. But I've also got one of these DJI Pocket 3s, which are really useful for filming. And I've been plugging in a microphone using the USB-C, but this connects with just the Bluetooth. I can also do a similar thing to my iPhone, but I'll save that for another video, but that's also connecting through Bluetooth. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch this on. There you go, it buzzed there. I've got it set to vibrate when it does. And you can see the light here is flashing on here. That's because it hasn't found the receiver, which isn't switched on. But I want to connect it to my Pocket 3. So what I've got to do, over here you've got the record button. I'm going to press and hold that for 3 seconds. And then on this side here, that's now gone blue. Now to link it, what I need to do is there's a link button just below that light. Let's just press and hold that. And it starts to flash fast. So when it does, I take the Pocket 3, I switch it on, going to swipe down from the top of the screen, go to the bottom left-hand corner, go to wireless mic, and you can see it's got TX1, transmitter 1, transmitter 2, this is transmitter 1. I'm going to tap on it. It's actually got the instructions right here. That's still flashing. If it stops flashing, you need to just hold that button again. And there you go. It says it's connected. Tap confirm. And look at that. You can see the volume right there. It tells me the battery's 100%. And it's also got how much storage I've got. 15 hours of recording. So let's just come back to here. And so I'm just going to switch on the recording here on the Pocket 3. So I've got the microphone here. If I tap at the top, you can just hear that there, so you know it's coming through here. These are really good. You could actually just hold it. You can clip it on as well. Really, really handy to have. Okay, so once you've done with that, I'm just going to press stop here. And that's connected. It's still connected by Bluetooth. You can see that because of the blue there. I want to connect it back to here. So what I'm going to do is switch my receiver on. That's now on. I'm going to press and hold my record button again for 3 seconds. And it's gone green. In fact, it's connected right here. You can see them going together there. If it didn't connect, what you need to do is just swipe down from the top, go to the receiver settings, go across to link device, and it's already connected, but you would just tap that link button. And if you've got both your mics switched on, it will do it. If it's only got the one, it will try and find it. So once it's found the first one, you then just need to stop the linking. Anyway, great device like this. And stay tuned. Next video, I'm going to show you how to connect it to your phone. I'm going to do it on an iPhone 15 Pro, but this will work with Android devices and other phones as well that have got Bluetooth. Thanks for watching. If you do like this, please do like, share and subscribe and come back for more.